Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow location access to Shazam while using the app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now go to the preferences section and tap on location. Tap on location again and you can select whether you would allow it to, or you would like it to allow location access. So just simply click on the relevant one. I'm going to tap on while using the app. So the location access has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.